2023 has come to an end. And in 2020 people are finding a good profitable niche that is easy to make videos on and generate good income. So start a short content channel in 2024 to generate passive income, because at this time, short videos are getting very good views. So don't miss this chance. And create your own short content channel now. I will tell you how you can make history fact short. And this niche get millions of views on it. And it's even easier to make, and I'll also tell you what mistakes to avoid in 2024. So that you can become a grow quickly, and if you don't face any issue in monetization. Then first of all, we will tell you about the mistake which you have to avoid. If you use any free AI voice generator, then your channel will not be monetized. You have to use paid AI voice generator, but if you don't have investment, so I have the solution also. You just have to watch this entire video. I will not waste your time. I will clear the entire topic in minimum time. So first of all, we want the script of our video. So for that we will use ChatGPT. We will write in ChatGPT, write me a highly engaging and unknown short history fact in a single paragraph. So ChatGPT will generate a short history fact for you. Then you have to copy it and put it in Notepad. Now if you want related images of your script, then for that we will bring again in ChatGPT, and you have to write in it. No, write me 12 to 13 prompts for generating images related to this fact in Playground AI. So ChatGPT will generate 12 to 13 prompts. First, you have to copy the prompt and paste it in the Playground. And for best results, I have given a prompt in the description. You have to paste it last. After that, you have to select your model on the side. If we are making a history fact, then you have to select the soldier model. After that, select 9 by 16 in size. Then it will ask you how many images you want to generate. So I will select 4 and click generate. It will generate images for you in a few seconds. When the image is generated, if you like the image, right-click on it, upscale it to 4K, and download it. Similarly, you have to generate the images by giving all the prompts. After that, when all the images are to be downloaded, now we will animate these images. So for this, we will use Runway AI. You just have to create an account on it, then click on Start with Image. Then here you have to import your images. And after that, you have to leave all the settings as they are. And click on Generate. Then in a few seconds your image will be converted into a video. Similarly, you have to animate all the images one by one. After that, you have input in CapCut. We will use CapCut's text-to-speech feature for voiceover, so we don't have any issue in monetization. So now you have to click on the text and paste the default text into the timeline. And then go into ChatGPT and copy some line of your script and paste it here. Then you have to select the artist that you like and then click on Start Reading. Then your voice will be generated. Similarly, you have to voice over your entire script. After that, you have to import your clips and you have to adjust according to the script. After that, you have to add the animation. So in this, you have to add the combo animation to your video's clip. After that, you have to add transitions to your clip to make your video look more attractive. After that, there is come on the text again. And you have to click on Auto Caption. It will automatically add subtitles to your video. Then your video is ready. So in this way, you can easily make your video without any issue by using these 3 to 4 AI tools. If you like the video, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.